Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to close gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what I have here in this sequence is a collection of various assets that I use throughout my videos. You might recognize a few of them here and there. And what we need to do is close the gap between all of these assets. So in order to do that, we just simply go up to Sequence, down to Close Gap. And if you wanted to close the gap between just a few select clips, go ahead and select those clips, go back up to Sequence, and Close Gap. And if you happen to use this effect quite often, it would be best to assign it to a keyboard shortcut. So in order to do that, just go up to Edit, then Keyboard Shortcuts, then search for Close Gap. And I've already assigned it the shortcut of Shift-G, and then hit OK. And then all you have to do is just simply hit, in this case, Shift-G on your keyboard. I'll automatically do it. Or if you wanted to do a couple select clips, highlight them, and hit Shift-G instead. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can close gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is Andy, signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.